Oh, Adom.
Great, so about the say, CJ, one more man in Aquaba.
Yeah. Unse, and you know, say the man Aquaba Sana, or Bonnie Tunko, no Bonnie, and
Ekoye,
Afano.
Yamia.
Well, Messi, we cry in command. I'm deep, and we do a penama common as a semen.
Yeah,
I think that Yambo President Abaso, but Omunya Kasano. But I think that somewhere around 9th of September 2020 or so, in Krangza South Municipal or whatever hospital, Akasio, also found in the government of Ghana, Meboa.
Yeah.
We are government of Ghana.
exactly.
I'm on the end of Christ, I won't be brave, no crano, and I want some crying,
This year now doubt is here to be,
because of I'm going to be paying.
I'm
telling you that Sino-Hydro for much or more for your box site is almost
no, be unconscious.
Beba. So what is the talking is too much. Charlie, boys, Casado.
I'm a Casafadia. Now, that's the Amuya no more come was him.
This talking is too much. You are doing see a bay, and they are different.
Now, commencement of work in the church.
Please, now no more comments why I been.
Oh, no, man,
stop talking and let us feel what they are doing. A Juman is a we are. Obin can't just about homody and our homody. A Jumana will reflect.
Now, Sunday we are now born.
No, please. Oh, Pacho. I never mean a diversion. A Jumano, yeah. One Casauna, young Casaman model. In fact, we are crana, Uderu crana, who has over. So it will be felt, it will be seen.
But at least
all Casa have for training, I say for Minia. Say, Omunim Nasa Boshe with our to found. Because first I thought it was just people just giving them tax.
Let's say be a twafa.
No, but Boshe de Bibri. This administration, fantastic policies, implementation. Oh, please. Now, now, what to know? Besides, I've been there. Over the you understand?
Now, some name their whole.
No. I'm hopeful, say. I have Sabia on semi here, and they be a Damika. Or man paying be anyone team boy bonany a bosha in Siagada. But Nipa a count one by Boama Mampany, then you should deal who it made him where we pay you. That continues to be the challenge for this country. It continues to be the challenge because Mampano, need the NSA, what pound go for, only Jina and name two and a more in your man, and Sefataman Nadeshi. Wakoye or Koye wheels while we were traded. When we know. He has other equally important things to attend to.
Yeah.
Into a judge, ama nipe binimso montuaso. When nipe ba hoso I'm believing this one is not going to be so. Now 1 year no asaba na we are struggling to put up 4.
No, but the point is
hold on.
Why the monitor process no?
I mean, minimum say me just calm.
No, but the point is
why not careful?
Why the monitor process
for no reason, and they sit in their comfort zone, very relaxed, chilling, and having fun.
Really?
That's why, and there will be a Pedro Munu said the disparity. To see as a combination antique no koya amanu sem amanu nia amanu I want whom see next 2 years. I want to be marveled. What really is the problem?
Because
everything around me will change.
Why is this so?
Until say you better say on my unya kwenya o babesum. No aboa manipa dodo na o mabrabo no insuranso papa etinya bo mabrabo. This is how we are going to rule the country. Say ya na ebe you.
No, but the man when the catch us some
as a papa, they are also
there to serve. They are also there to serve.
No matter about the pay. I don't pay the.
Yeah. Because and someone a pay at the fee and run come on, yet the out train after a Juma is your mind, a buying any so if I put the home come on now. As a man in a better hand pay. Just as a GDA crowd.
How many interchanges the road ministers were, bro?
But
how many interchanges?
And the front page at the say tema redevelopment.
Interchange.
I only came to say Omoni Swadi Hunia fantastic. I will appeal to them, say Kasano.
Yeah.
they should limit it. Now, if you omunye nyuma, na se wia hospital kra ko say.
Am I hearing ya batre?
That's three na ko say. Me am krom kumawu. Me ba
Shama de kwa.
Oh, me ba na wo obi kan e bia ne funded ba me kire say. Se wia 37 for soldier for the wo e Kumasi TV okra me free din. Se wia ana me am krom kumawu. Akosi say. Eno no say funding ho nsem akosi say. Uye no si nchen a. Mama or typical one different funding. La anafi eye in Kranza South. Akosi say. And this is government of Ghana GOG funding.
Am I hearing?
It made a mini problem me say.
What dia akoma pa na kasa. Me boa.
Me nko ye obi a obey consume the boy hina. The meka nyina ne say kasa no adoso. They should just go and work. It's like I didn't ember into action. Ember yes, but obia or Casabia 101. And 101. One no do done you be
my hand dear okay.
No, they don't you
account.
No, I'm saying whether I come upon you, I come up. Obia no our catch was a mimic cromafo, and no one may say, be there come upon a better. My only concern continues to be continuity of promises, and we don't feel it.
And when him say Obia so bad by more the Akuma Paneba.
Asema academic I want to be say man pay bia nuwa wa betrasia ono no beka se ni team boy bone okay man pay bia trasia bia ti dem ka me consequence nipa aban di ona gina wona na mu no ono aho keka ni o mana montuo ne nyoma mo kwa mfa so mo di o djuma no it's questionable
okay
do na de etosi
okay
etu ni ha na hu ni o me koso aban we hu de ekoso se nyoma do na njela fa yi. You don't see it.
I think this time around, I buy no asudie say obe prove.
I'm telling you because I buy bosha there.
No, but CJ, you see, let's be fair. Let's be fair to
there is no fairness. There is no fairness in this society.
But
hold on.
I say the one district one factory.
Probably then you are thinking of heaven. There is nothing like fairness where we operate now as a space. Fairness, we know.
Ada na fairness
be na fairness ni ho anka wabra woni
ana wo na so dia no
asabe na ka cheni fairness
na be ka bibia che na radio
so anka wabra woni na fairness anka lecture na ogina $100 there's nothing like fairness len hwani anka de se o mu ye nya fairness and me pre fairness o present so obi ade so I want any problem bia onya chamber hall self container 2-bedroom krana okona nim. So please, it's not about fairness, it's about making reasonable impact.
No, but are they not making impact?
Becoming too much.
I bind the policies a buy. Or my henny. One district, one factory. One monitor. One village, one dam. Oh, at least.
No, because we don't know.
One. I bind the buy.
It looks like some now.
No, because me drew Hano. Come on, I'm moody dinner. I buy a bond once I've need too much. Yeah, it goes too much. Oh. Because I don't know why government continues to tout as if say 101 where we are. I don't know. You who be paying?
Am I in some drink? Oh, Obenyache.
No, that be but also assembly of so can na pay.
Assembly no. Now over cars and nam kwanzo we na road where the cars. O ka fairness. The cars and nam ye kwanzo cry road where. Majority of the cars are road ready.
O space cars na.
Cars be any space car. Why ka kwan why road ready?
Oh,
yes, so her cars and I'm quaso. Say road ready. She cars and I'm quaso. See who be fairness.
Sprinter ne.
Yeah, she cars and I'm quaso. Me more just a typical. She cars and I'm quaso ekofo.
Am I in some drink out?
So this country. You be kasa santi na mpeso mu jai kasa no. No mutu na mo so mu.
Now be dru hono na stick at road ready.
So now we are having a conversation. That's the challenge we have. This is a country dishonesty continues to pay.
I was saying that must say asem drink am.
So this is a country anamon bia utu bia no wan fa buoma de ankwa wana montu ni we pay. Why? This is a country utima o yere hu so obeye de sefata na wadi mra so a wo be ka akiri. Are we not worried?
That's it.
This is a country obia every the profession no akoya amanyosem. Are we not bothered?
Am I in some drink out? That's it.
I will be quite no medal. Record breaking 29 years. You man $3,000.